So we're both in Disney's Christopher Robin, and I thought everyone at home might like to hear what it was like making the movie.
Oh, that sounds quite nice.
Hola a todos.
Christopher Robin.
Okay, first question. Are you anything like your character?
Like who? Like me? What was the question again? I was thinking about lunch.
Oh, cielos.
How would you describe your acting style?
Oh, well, I usually just agree with everyone on set. Also, I'm too afraid to say no.
Vamos a votar!
I sometimes find it difficult to hone in on a character's motivation. What's your secret?
You gotta think like a tigger, act like a tigger, and it helps to be a tigger.
Right, but well, what if I'm not playing a tigger?
Ooh, now that is a predicament.
Hola, Igor.
How do you separate the Eeyore on screen from the Eeyore behind the camera?
He's a bit cheerier than me.
Really?
Absolutely. He's all laughs.
Moving on.
Oh, vaya.
Before we keep going, you wouldn't happen to have any, honey, would you?
Well, I'm sure we could find some.